Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inserting the mechanism that records dates automatically. Open the Visual Basic editor and decide your trigger type. Use a worksheet change event for live updates or a button macro if you want manual control. Once you choose, place code in the worksheet module for cell-based triggers or in a standard module for a button. Make sure your date column is formatted as date. This prevents Excel from storing text and allows automatic sorting and calculations when the timestamp appears. Now you add the VBA logic that writes the date and prevents loops. Paste a worksheet change routine and filter by target. Column so only edits in your input column trigger timestamps. Use cells target. Row, timestamp column, equals date or date time if you need time. Choose date for daily stamps. To avoid recursive triggers, wrap changes with application. Enable events equals false and set it back to true in a finally block. Test on a spare sheet to confirm behavior and adjust column indexes as needed. Finish by securing and saving your solution so it runs reliably. Lock the timestamp column and save the file as a macro-enabled workbook. XLSM. Make sure users enable macros and that workbook open doesn't disable events. If timestamps fail, first verify application. Enable events is true. Confirm macro security settings allow signed or local macros, and check your column numbers match the sheet layout. If it still misbehaves, step through the macro with F8 to see which lines stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.